bond angle. Next, we observe what? Boiling points. Now, boiling points, if you observe here, from nitrogen to bismuth, we are not considering here. What we are considering here, the main thing, hydrogen bond we need to consider. So, we know three elements can form hydrogen bond. What are they? Fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen. These three only can form hydrogen bond. So nitrogen definitely can form hydrogen bond. What about the remaining elements? They cannot form hydrogen bond. Now hydrogen bond is very strong compared to van der Waals forces. All molecules they can get van der Waals forces. They can exhibit the van der Waals forces. But van der Waals forces are very weak when you compare with hydrogen bond. Now ammonia can form hydrogen bond. So because of hydrogen bond, what happened? Their strength between the molecule, what happened? Increased. Therefore, they are having what? Higher boiling points. But when you comes here, bismuth and SbS3, because of high molar mass, the molar mass of BaS3 and SbS3 is very high, they can even dominates the hydrogen bond. So here, which is dominating? Van der Waals force, what happened? Dominated here. So here hydrogen bonding is not working here. So as usual, whichever is having more molar mass, that will have what? More boiling point. But here ammonia, hydrogen bond is dominating. So ammonia is getting more boiling point. When compared with these cases, what happened? ASH3 and PS3. In this case, which is dominating? Hydrogen bond is what dominating. Here hydrogen bonding is not there. Definitely what happened? They are having lower boil. Very simple. Why ammonia is having more boiling point than ASH3 and PS3, arsine and phosphine? Because of what? Simple reason, hydrogen bond. Next, melting point. In the melting point also we have to consider same thing, but here you see ammonia is having highest melting point here. Why? Because in the solid state, isn't it, hydrogen bonding is very strong. This is what in the liquid state, no? In liquid state, hydrogen bonding is weak. So that is the reason it is a middle position. But once it comes into solid state, see, melting point means solid converting into liquid. So in the solid state, if we consider, the hydrogen bonding is very strong. So hydrogen bonding is completely what? Dominating which one? Dominating which one? Van der Waals forces, VW, van der Waals forces. That is the reason what happened. The melting points of ammonia is more, isn't it?